Where to now? Right leads to Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to the Rolling Bridge. The Rolling Bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Excellent! Thanks for helping out! What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon. Excellent! Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Super! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Good job! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Super! Just slice or tap it to open. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the Haunted Castle. Right leads to the Town Square Station. Haunted Castle's coming up. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon to... Good job! Oh, the castle gate's closed. Can you open it? Excellent! A spider web! Spooky. Great! Troublesome trucks are playing hide and seek again. Let's see if we can find all three. We can't get through. Tap on the... Great! Truck! That's perfect! A spider web! Spooky. Tap to break it. We can't get through. Tap on the gate to open it. That's the way. It's a done! That was super cool! We all love your train set. Where to now? Left leads to the tunnel. Right leads to the boulder cliffs. The tunnel is nearby. What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way! Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you? That's perfect! We all love your train set. It's a wild water slide! We need to avoid those rocks. Good job! Excellent! We all love your train set. Left leads to the Great Waterton Station. Forward leads to the pig farm. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Well done! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square. That's perfect! Awesome! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag the wagon to one of the... Excellent! You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the lava quarry. Forward leads to Brendam Docks. Hey, let's go race at the quarry. Forward leads to the lava quarry. Left leads to the Sodor Steamworks. The steamworks are just ahead.